Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the image and the app you'll use. Open your Samsung Messages or a sticker-supporting app. You need an app that accepts custom stickers. Crop or export the image to a 512 x 512 PNG to preserve transparency and keep file size low. Once done, name files clearly so you can find them. Make sure the subject is centered and background removed. This helps the sticker engine detect edges and scale properly as you add it to your keyboard or message pack. Now you'll import and edit the sticker inside Samsung Keyboard or a third-party sticker maker. Tap the Stickers button, choose Add Custom Sticker, and select your prepared PNG. You can trim, add a subtle border, or shadow to improve visibility on varied chat backgrounds. These adjustments help readability and prevent cropping issues. Once edited, save to a local sticker pack and duplicate at a smaller size for keyboard previews. Make sure pack metadata, name and author, is filled so Messages list displays it correctly. Finish by exporting the sticker pack and testing it in Conversations and the keyboard preview. Send the sticker to yourself and check edges, transparency, and scale on light and dark chats. If it looks blurry, re-export at a higher DPI or use a lossless PNG. If it won't add, ensure storage and keyboard permissions are enabled. Finally, reorganize the pack order and remove duplicates. If problems persist, restart the app or clear its cache to force a fresh import and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.